Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to connect Google Analytics to Shopify. So first you'll need to head over to Google and you'll need to search for Google Analytics. You'll be seeing this website with this link, marketingplatform.google.com. You want to click on it. It's going to take you here, and perhaps this is your first time, or maybe you have your analytics account already. So this instruction is just for those who are trying it out for the first time. But if you have your Google Analytics account, you just simply need to go there and log in. If you're a newbie, you just simply need to sign into your Google marketing platform, and you could use your Google address in order to have this account. And then you're going to find the analytics as one of the products. The setup process is also easy, so you can do just that, filling in your details, and then you must click analytics. Now, once you click on analytics, you have three options. We're going to choose web, and then right here it says setup data stream. So you have some input field areas here, such as the URL and the stream name. This is going to be your website name, and this is going to be your website URL. So we're going to go over to our Shopify online store to copy the link. So here in our Shopify, we just simply need to click on online store in order to view it. And if it takes us here, you're going to click on view your store. So once we're viewing our store, we're going to copy the address without the HTTPS and forward slashes, just the address without the prefix. So now that we have that, we're going to come over here, paste it, and then provide the website name. We're just going to say text space with double E, and make sure your enhanced measurement is turned on. So go ahead and click on create and continue. So right now we have it, and here are the details of what we have so far. We have the stream name, measurement ID, the stream URL, and stream ID as well. So from here, we're going to go over to our Shopify, and then on the left side, you're going to see apps. We're going to add an app. So we're going to click on add right here. So after clicking on add, we're going to find this page, and we're going to come over here and click on Google and YouTube, and then we're going to click install. Then on this page, it's going to ask you for permission to install. Click on install, and right here, we're going to click on connect Google account, and make sure to connect it with the same account which you used for your Google Analytics. Then once that's done, it's going to take you to this page, get started with Google and YouTube. So we're going to come over here on the right side, and you want to look at this button right here. There are two slides. So we're going to go to the next slide, which says looking only to set up Google Analytics for your store. We're going to say get started. And because we chose that option, it says set up your Google Analytics property. We're going to scroll down. The Google account part is done. Connect your Google Analytics property. We're going to say connect. Then you have the option to choose this checkbox, and then click confirm if you want to, and click complete setup to finish it up. Then next we're going to go back to Google Analytics. Then when we're here, we're going to click on the switch product button, and then we're going to click on analytics. And right here, you'll be seeing the information and what Google Analytics will provide you about your Shopify right here, such as active users, event count, event, new users, etc. So this is how to connect Google Analytics to Shopify.